Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Then well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Welcome, guys. Welcome. So we here in Marmy River, you know. So we just got here. We on Baja, the prefect, and boom. So what's gonna happen? We're gonna run through the place. Baja's gonna run through the house and see what and what needed because of Winstone, you know, send some donation for us to get the stuff them that's gonna be needed because you know the window is gonna need a stanchion and the bathroom also. Baja's gonna look and see what he can come, you know. Give it a more uplift look, you know, make it have a better look than before. Just like how you see him do with the kitchen. There's things that we're gonna get done. So we're here now. We're gonna check out and write down the stuff that we're gonna need, you know, and go to the area and get them. And we're gonna literally help them to finish off, you know. So Baja is here, you know. So we're gonna literally help them and finish off this project, you know, to make sure it looks good, like all you guys would want it to do, you know. So we're gonna do it at our best ability. You know, so we thank you again to Winstone because Winstone says all in theme end of the bargain because him already made a promise and want to see it through and want to help finish it off, you know. So that is our mission today. So just here arrive. So we're gonna literally walk over there now. So we're here with man like prefect himself is here, you know, off the road.
Don't know.
No, prefect always on the hustling. The hustle and the bustle.
Once you're here, you have to make sure, you know?
Yeah.
Put in the work, you know, because you don't know.
DreamTeam? Yeah.
The dream work.
Yes,
so
sir.
You don't know. One love, bless up yourself.
Every time.
Extended family. Just go and stay tuned. Continue to do the good work while we do the same. You see?
Yeah.
Because without Tony, you know, it wouldn't possible. You see?
True.
Because we have to
feel with
the engine for we continue the journey. So
yeah.
Bless up on yourself and love only. Bless up.
We have boom down the might in the building.
Blessed and one love. They are still at the work. Blessed love.
30 grand never come because we gonna work on the third foot because them say we want another one. She was a drop. You know. Oh yeah, bad.
Yeah man, respect man, blessed love man, continue to support the dream team and them thing there. Extended family, we appreciate you from day one until this time.
Yes,
it's only can getting better and more better. You understand? And we appreciate everything we want to do for us because you are the person who fuel the life in Dream Team that keep us alive. That's what we are able to put out the work and I do the things for the people them. And we appreciate that. Anyway, God lies him soul. You know, so the energy is always there. And a God work we are doing, you know, and we not stop doing it, you know. As we say, key, you know, you are the man who make it happen from that time until this time and you're still there. All when the journey get rough and the hurdles get high, you still go over the hurdles and you're still there and you still do the great work. Father God, they behind you. Extended family, loving the phone now because we're there from day one until this time. It's always a joy, peace and love. Continue to give us our blessing and we'll do the work for you. Blessed.
Yes guys, so you know that's Baja. You know, usually we say Bob the Builder or the motivational speaker, you know, everything goes so. So I'm saying guys, we're going to go up here and Baja's going to do some, you know, checks and see what and what we're going to need to complete off this. You know, the bathroom where Charger was doing, you know. We know Charge is a man in try, you know, but some things we need help on. So we're going to try and fill a gap there, you know, while Baja have the time to spare, you know. So I'm saying we have to just utilize that. You know, and as the Baja say, he's going to just make time because you don't know. Me always say that each and every one of us have a purpose. You know, I'm the one where found this, but yet what they're doing is their purpose. See me by helping and giving back. You know, it's just a fact where me have to shine the camera. You know, I like to go on, but once you're doing something from your heart, it's not from the mind. You know, it's all about your purpose of showing love with the compassion. That's all it needs. You know, so you don't have to see something and feel like, say, you know, I have an initiative plan. Let me go join this program because I know I can get something if I give something. No. You see me, because charity is not about receiving, it's about giving. So if the Almighty bless you, we appreciate it, same way. You know, but it's about giving, you know, so it's all about from the heart. So that's why we here are going to hold out faith and go and fight it. So we're heading over by charging now. We're going to go on with the place. Water get pretty. Yeah. Water getting back pretty. Yeah, Booma go and dig out the pool right there. Put the bag. Yeah. You gonna sit down there.
I just got to trim back in up.
There's so much sand up on the corner.
Yeah, around here too. That's what sand man I go to work.
Yeah. These are the sand where you buy. No, they're here for free. Pure sand, granite sand. Where say you own sand? Where sell them?
No,
Oh, you're in there? Oh, for Blackie? Oh. Blackie your mother? Hey, I never know. I never know say Blackie your mother. Has somebody build pool this already? Oh, I'm pool. Oh, you do it? Oh. Never know say Blackie your mother, man. I feel mother, man, because I do some rendering. So go and own something. Water look nice.
No, say there, the view from far, you know.
But a whole heap of sand you back up still, you know. And from morning you start. Eh? Oh, 3 days now you do it? Oh, 3 days now, guys. And the amount of sand been bagging up right there, over there, down there, and you have some right here. You know, 3 days now, and you have some up there. You have more? Or on the next river? Or the smooth one around here, so this is the rough one. Yes, we like that still. Because around here, so you have the rough and the smooth one around here, so. Yeah. 3 days, you know the man I do this fine. Yeah. So the thing is here, I forget this up at the hill now.
Yeah.
You know, so.
The road rough.
Might take him time, you know.
You have to put in the work.
Yeah. Work is not easy, boy.
It's all taking up. You have your goal in there, that's the work you want.
I see them walk where worship them as I walk, as them reach up there, so them tired, you know.
Yeah.
So imagine travel with them bags.
Just prepare it alone.
Yeah.
And then to move it to the other point.
Yeah, but I like them dedicated because some kids now do this to them parents, you know. For your mother, the woman who has the shop, Blackie.
Oh, a black. Oh.
Her son. Yeah. I remember church have bills, so she want them to go on to surrender.
Okay.
Any much parents not gonna do that? Sure. Much kids me not gonna do that?
No, gonna do that.
One in there, lad.
Them gonna tell her, say, yo, mama, get somebody, pay somebody for go and do it now.
Yeah. Sure. Shortcut.
Yeah. So see the nice granite sand, I eat this, you know.
Yeah,
I eat this, Baja. They granite this.
Yeah, that's right.
Granite sand.
That's right. Finish it right. No, I never watched them. I never watched them. I have to go and see it.
Want some water now? Hey, look, man. What's happening? Yeah, the man clean up the place, man, and farm up.
Only for banana.
Little miss. Me have somebody send some stuff here, you know, but it's in the barrel. Yeah? How we gotta wash? You gotta wash? How is school? Good. Hello, little miss. It's been a long time. How come you not sooner for so long? What happened? School. Oh, you're not allowed outside. Oh, you're on a curfew. Doing schoolwork. That's why. Good, good, good. Continue, okay? Alright, soon though.
Oh, that singer. Big singer.
Nana.
Big singer, Nana.
Nana, the big singer. Come on. Now for bring up a barrel for them. For them can store water out here, so. For them can water them stuff. Can charge you do a good work.
You're going to do one there.
For empty, yeah. I will go empty out some of them as well too. So that's a good look. What? I'm going to them a pop show too, you know.
You see when them start
and charge you have chicken now. See chicken now? The boy white nose eat. One more dead? Boy white and a white nose eat him though. Oh good. Boy white nose eat two of them what they you know.
You can't make them right there.
This needs sawdust.
Sawdust.
Yeah, this one sawdust in there. Yeah.
I sawdust keep them warm.
Yeah, yeah.
You see this you know? I tell him we have to put something to cover them.
Yeah.
When at night,
Yeah.
and the juice.
Yeah, yeah, cause normally we use what you call it, crocus bag.
Yeah, them the fall and you can't take too much.
Nana, how you feeling? Feeling better? Good. Nana, that have an asthma attack, you know. Yeah, man. Charge are going well. These are some babies. I'm on the pop show. On the pop show them over here, so yeah.
So then them are like a pop show.
Yeah, pop show. Pop show. Over here, so pop show. Them are grown now, man. Eh? Oh, the pop show them are get big, man. Yeah. Some more pop show here. They're getting big, Nana. They're getting big. I want to pop show them and stretch.
I can spray them. Look flourishing and all.
Yeah. Yeah.
Charge it.
You come back yet, Nana? Me come back yet. Yeah, me go on the road. Yeah. That's why I say them place here once you have a solar or you have a Starlink.
Yeah, good.
Good. Evening to occur. Ken.
Inside.
We have to keep Nana away from all the and smoke. And then good thing there. So this is another coat.
If you get another coat.
Yeah. So how it stays so?
Top. Because you paint it. Out there somebody have to paint it because I never did want it touch inside. So I paint it over there so.
The thing is that they don't put a thinner and paint.
And a thinner and
too thick.
Yeah. You know put a thinner and
you get a smooth finish there.
Yeah. When you need another coat so you have to go.
You have to thin the paint.
Where the paint there and the thinner?
A smooth finish.
Where is it?
When it's like this, it's all good.
We're going to mix it. You know, we can run over it here really quick. What are you going to do?
And the trouble that?
He said
And the
Make
thinner.
it nice. Yeah.
Throw it in one different something. This a quick walkover. Yeah.
She have sandpaper, because I could have just sand it when you go.
Well, let's see what happened. Yeah, if you take off, because I like the way in there.
The dirt.
You know, the brush.
Dirt, not a brush.
And everything there.
Upon the something that she lean it up with this.
Yeah, dirt there, don't sketch it.
Sand it off and give it a paint over, you know.
What you know?
So when I weigh him, don't want to buy the receptacle. You need to buy one receptacle. You have to
We're
go.
gonna write it down, Badge. We're gonna write down.
You have to go buy a receptacle and buy some twin of the earth.
Get the book and the pen.
Twin of the earth.
Get a book and a pen.
This is there.
We need one next
You
buckle.
can one buckle.
Yeah, we need one of the buckle or
You know,
jug.
May I get one plate? I could get a plate. I have a black plate. I throw it in and then I think to wear one
sandpaper.
Oh, you can't weigh him.
Yeah, can't go over it. Yeah.
Let's rub it off with it.
Let me should get the book and the pen, say. I'll just write down every little thing with them I go on. Yeah. Because Badger, two hours see it, we have to just come finish it off for them. You know, we just come finish it off for them. And the whole way that. Come here, kids, come here. Toko, Nana, come here. Oh, come here, Cranberry, come here. My pop down that miss. I make a talk about.
The pink breaking eye.
Come here. But Toko. Call Toko. Toko, come.
We never did one.
Come here, Toko. Come here, Miss Toko.
Talk and Tara.
I would win.
Tara. It depends.
Come here, Tara. Come here.
Then talk to them black something.
Tara, come here, Toko, man. Come here. Come here.
And start their life on the baby alone.
I know she did.
Mind your foot
Come,
on the
mind the pain. Stand up there, sir. Look, you see this? And this black with the pain.
Talk to the black, I'ma tell mommy.
Toko, that is not good. Okay? It's not good. You can't see your daddy and your mommy
I tell
do
her
the
to
work.
rub it off. I tell her to rub it off.
Because you have book to go and write, you know. Okay, Toko? Don't
But
do it.
Tara do this.
Tara, come. Bring her come, Kenisha. Bring the one, Tara, come here. Bring the one, Tara, come here. Bring her come, Ken.
Do you have it there?
Yeah. Come, bring her come. Come, Tara. You can't do that, you know, because the place now gonna look good. When you start right up and then you Toko, that's no, you don't want the house look good. You can't keep on and do that.
You have to take care now. See your baby? My phone in a deep, nobody can.
Hey, prefect, see this one? See there. Shut the plate this one. Okay, Toko, you have to take care right here, please. Because now, see now, you're there on video, you know,
Talk of mine or
and
something.
them see you. You miss. You miss.
How do you?
A she do. Are you with?
How do you?
How old with?
You want to live by
Oh, pint pan old with. Because she can't pint pan nobody because of she do.
How do you? Tell me how do you? You don't know?
She do it.
May I get a stick?
Yeah.
Let them have a
Give one piece of cloth. And just brush off this. I can think this job now.
Yeah.
You said do it over it, so it will go still. You just want to wipe it off with that cloth.
Yeah. One old cloth, you know. Nana, I forgot to stay away from the paints. So, Baja, I will write down the sanction as well. So the stanchion. This. We call it stanchion?
Oh, yeah.
I guess we're going to need one of that too. Eh? Yeah, I can measure it.
Give him the one piece of sponge.
Or something for wipe out the door.
That one piece of sponge.
No. You say yeah? Prefix it.
Wet.
See the brush, yeah?
Yeah, man, give me the alright. If it look a bit wet.
Feel like you know, she said if you want that wet one.
Wet? Give him, make him try.
That alright? Cause it should use a wiper to do it.
Oh. Just one wiper. And Nana, you have to stay away from the paint
No.
as well. You hear Nana? You have to stay up on the smoke and the paint. Touch your asthma.
Where's the oil
By the way,
paint?
lady, you know, the color. She just told me say she could get the someday. Like I send her the prescription she got because she said could send her the prescription. Come back to her said, oh, to get out here.
What?
He tried
For that?
Yeah.
Did you got a doctor?
Yeah.
And what them say?
Just so she said she just send over some with her friend and me get it. Cause she look for the exact dose for them gear for
Yeah.
take.
No, but when they got the doctor, them give
They
you.
put it on it.
Oh. And where do you say they bring out the pharmacy?
Yeah, so them not have it.
Them not have it.
again. So I tell her, so she just say if I could have checked after it, but she said no
Yeah.
matter, she will try sort it out for her. So she gonna send it to her friend and then we'll just go pick it up.
When is that?
But next 2 weeks. She
So
said,
I think you will get that at York Pharmacy. At Alpha Tree.
okay.
Yeah. So doctor them tell you how to use it?
You know, so she did bring it one time from Nana, when Nana did have. She did the river, so she did the river the day and she did sick. So she did end up here almost 2 of them.
Oh, okay.
In it. And but you come plug it in. So I know exactly how to set it up.
Oh,
How to
oh.
set it up and show her.
Okay. So that's good.
And they're a little bit small, don't you know? You know reach us, huh?
Because it want
For full fire turn food door outside thing. Look
no,
at
it want something to come right now.
Look at key them turn food door, you never look so.
No, because this want waiting there right here so.
Board.
Right here so.
And that's
strip it to
The strip it want strip
Like this.
like this. Yeah, something
how
like
fast them a boy yes and put in. Yeah.
this. Strip it want. That good enough.
Yeah, man, I hate this.
What the brush again? You get it.
You're supposed to in there.
You're supposed to keep it in a tin, you know.
If it not
Like this?
Yeah.
Right, soft.
So,
Put that to tinner. You have to keep it in a tinner, yeah?
Yeah.
Otherwise, they go tough. You know, I can't use it. Use it and that can have catch it.
now, man,
I wish you get that.
I this spring come for your pain.
Are this?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
alright.
So no more writing on the door, you Miss Tara. No more writings. No more. Please. I must watch them. Watch your
Me know they
sisters.
have
Watch her
been
to
killing
Nana.
And that's how I go with us come.
See how I cross this one.
Huh?
Why then get the color? This.
The brush have been pink in it.
The Wi-Fi,
let me phone.
They can now show that black.
Oh, this.
Eh? Like on internet?
Yeah, before internet.
Which one? Google?
No man.
Where you want to go from?
Yeah. Well, yeah. Like whenever YouTube.
Or YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on. See? Yeah, take a good time.
Excuse me.
Yeah, it had the pink in it, purple in it.
Purple night.
You have to walk off, look at it and see what to pick up.
So I really
Cheaper.
Bella. Yo.
But,
Oh, see some sign.
Kenisha,
Yeah.
are the only paintbrush that you have?
Yeah, my two today.
I don't want to have a lot of purple in it, you know.
Purple, I'm going to wash it. I'm supposed to the...
Prefect, like how the thin and I girl, make sure wash it out, wash out some.
I'm not sure. I bring it down over just
Yeah. That have too much purple.
Mommy, I pick up my jug for that from back.
the jug.
Yeah.
Aloe vera. Aloe vera. Come in and come over some. Eat this out.
That's very bitter.
Huh?
Very bitter.
It's good though. Aloe vera.
I only eat that when that in the water.
It's not bitter, it's only the yellow part when it just cut.
But it's, when the yellow part in there, I always wash it off before I eat it. But when it cut,
Yeah.
may I try to taste it?
Hold on. What are you telling me? I mean, you never eat this thing before.
I usually eat it.
I usually eat it when I drink something. You know me the kina? Scrape it and drink it in the water. You know? That the doctor tell me to do. I told the man that come fall, I get that. And give the fall them to you. Should I go down and look in the water and
The fall them do not drink it well bitter.
Me, I feed on this stuff like nothing. Yeah. People to see me I eat like one.
I say,
all
oh,
one.
it's not bitter.
Oh, Kina, oh,
That me tell her, I said that good for her system. Tell her, Kina. She said bitter, I'll try to eat it, yeah?
no, it's not bitter. The yellow part, that's the bitter part.
Yeah.
So the yellow part, that's what protect it.
Well, bring some fab, but yeah, you can watch out with the car.
You have fab?
No.
Yeah, bring.
Yes. Right there.
Look somewhere.
Look at Kina.
Hold on.
She asked me why I'm getting no book. I tell her I'm teacher buy with this. My teacher buy me it.
Go and give your mommy some fab and come back. Go on.
See that now? Okay. Okay, to that we do this.
Eh?
I'm not going to bring a different brush. I still have about 4 pounds. I try
Yeah, good.
Classmate them paste it now them book too.
Go and get her and come and she use that wash out this.
Look at this one. My classmate say, why am I doing them? I tell her I say we have to do it too. Tomorrow we have another exam too right now. Every week we teacher give away the test for practice. Tomorrow I come home at 15 and then the other day we have extra lesson $1,000. I time to see my lunch money like sometime my mother have to give me 5 bills. Like my father make up the 5 bills and my mother give me 1. I'm going to bring it to school, put it down for the Saturday. Come tell us, I'm going to tell you. Come father, something to tell you too. Because we go to school tomorrow, we're going to wake up early like to the key. You feel like I lie? Yeah. Yes, today we are on. Me I go up on my clock. And so teacher said, Keisha, I don't know how you're looking, so Keisha.
Hold on. Faja, come show you in the bathroom. Let me show you in the bathroom. Yeah, because we don't buy the paint. I'm tell us we come finish it.
We come do this.
Yeah, that's the prefect, you know. The outside, because we buy the paint for the outside. So I just see the...
Okay.
See the inside here. Come see them worship them paint in here, so.
Alright, 2 foot. Alright, 2 foot.
Yeah, what do buy for the outside, really? Just set them stars. What do you call them?
And them left the paint.
Yeah.
Tell her if you not
Now splash up the paint.
we do the painting. You come, me come do all I paint.
Okay.
Because the place I just look shabby.
What time over here, sir? What time over this?
So me there, which pipe am I going to put the... Over here, sir?
The shower, scarcity pipe, man. So the shower for there, sir.
But there's a board.
Oh, watch me now. You see this? You have to change this. You have to change this, a concrete this.
Oh, it's a concrete.
Yeah, them should have the concrete rest. Because you see this? You can't wait anywhere, there's concrete this coming. Just to cut here, sir. And just put concrete on top of this. Because anyway the water go bounce pan.
It will splash.
Yeah, it will splash and cast way name like.
The damage.
Yeah, so watch me now.
Board that.
You don't know way name this then. Alright. Here's my 11 by 6. 11 by 6. Go on tile. Just tile out that.
Can't say I charge him, I try, you know? 11 by 6.
6.
I thought what a big tile.
Any tile you can use. Once again, them 11 by 6, them calculate it. If a 1 foot tile or 2 or 20 or 80, then you have to match it.
I'll try what you mean.
Yeah,
Definitely get them
tile. Alright.
So what you gonna do with it?
Me now take off here, sir. Now pull off this.
Yeah.
And just put card. It come to here, sir, with the tile. Alright, from here, sir. I just style it, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 15, 20 tile. Meaning 20 black.
Black.
Yeah. 20.
Because the hardware down there, so my papi, you know, sell tile now.
Yeah, man, I'm selling tile now.
The same place I go?
Yeah, man.
So everything
Yeah, man, everything where you get. I'm selling tile, tin set, and everything.
Okay.
So when you carry this now, let me now hang here. Alright, you want 1 floor.
Yes, I tile out back.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, I know.
That guy can never use the level as well too.
You tile that, sir?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah, for lift it up.
No, you
No,
don't
not flip up. You can't tile on it.
The only thing that you don't know is you don't style around it.
And this is how we put on already, you know.
Yeah. So you don't tile, and then again, they paint and they put nothing on ground and then just mess up the tile.
As we say, make them make the painting stay.
Make the painting stay because they don't put on nothing. They don't put on nothing.
You take all I paint, you can do all I paint. Stop thinking on that too.
All the curtain. It was for outside.
Oh, this side is the outside.
Yeah. I remember the outside with me there.
With the board.
Yeah, because the aisle, you know, aisle base.
Alright, let them leave this. We keep the outside.
Yeah.
See, all we are going to do now come to bring thinner.
Yeah.
And a quarter thinner. Buy the retail one.
Yeah.
You know, if you ever put the weight in there, so I wonder, you remember see this? Now I move this, I put this right on top of this.
Okay.
And then just block this come across here. So that's when you splash the splashing attack the wall. So you just move out this and put it right in the corner here. So. And then
Put it right here, so.
Right there, so.
And that's black from.
And then black as anyway the shower go splash. You don't put it there so because if the floor go splash so and you bathe and you shower it all splash and then wrap out this. So when me don't just black this come cross. Black up here so and then tile over it. And then put the window here so.
Yeah.
So you have wall to wall, so I see them have a wall, so we put a wall over here so.
Yeah.
And then pipe up here so.
Because by the time water starts splash.
Yeah, 20, so we don't put instead of that we put 30 black.
You put 35.
Yeah,
You
35.
know you got cheap.
Yeah. 20 me have a while ago, so me put 30 anyway, I'll put 35. Alright. So when I deal with the tile, then I get the tin set. And I have one floor drain if we go in the drain. And floor tile, that's a way so. Then 5x4, so then I get the tile. The one where I go here so gonna be smooth. But the one where they are so now we say 2x5 floor tile, shower. The one where I go in and shower here so a rough. Yeah. And then the wall tile now, which me have up here so. 11x6. It can be the wall tile. That are this.
Yeah.
So let me know, let me give a tile up on the wall. Run thing. And then we can move that and put this up. So that will good. Alright, this a pipe up yet? No, well we have to go run some pipe. To pipe up the tank and everything there.
Over there.
Yeah, we got put up. We have to run pipe and pipe up that. So we'll have to buy somewhere there.
Oh, lock off this guy. Throw down on this.
Yeah.
Sir.
Supposed to have more than that.
One and lock it down. No, me I say, anyway you put it, you go mark. Because through them, hold them.
Ask Kenisha with the rest of them there. With the rest of the so what is the pink as well? Oh, perfect. See another one, yeah?
Pink one.
Yeah, the pink one that.
This now, you want when you have a door strip to put on this lock the door. You want 2 door strips.
I paint this. What is this? Let me do the thing there.
A paint?
Either them paint, yes?
I wonder if that where the inner this.
Which one? This here?
I paint this, you know. Let me go.
No, she generated some out of that. So she put it down and I take it down. Can't be a
Can I show them this, they go bust this, water going on it. That can't work,
You know what? Bust that.
Extension.
See a tape that.
And when they are cutting it, cut it so.
Yeah. Hold on. Yeah.
Oh, and if I cut them sit there, you know. And that mean what I see for 22.
So
No, you have some of them cut it. Let me say for 1 and 20.
look at the same size.
I don't want them running, so I cut it so you have to know, you see, this I show you 21. That's the problem. We don't leave that because we don't know if
So I wouldn't buy that same way as it is?
Yeah, you have some of them that are standard. So if me there, I don't know if a standard. If I 22, because that I show you 22, 21. You know the one in the kitchen. I cut them.
Oh.
You can't buy it away there, you have to them go at a standard. So you build the way them fit it. Then you cut it.
Okay.
That's what I tell me, say cut it.
And I wonder how much that will.
21. And this I show you, say 21 and a half. So I cut them. You understand? So
if we could do a same 21 over here?
no, this, I think we build this. Let me say something. 22. So anything we are buying, that no more I confirm with him, you know? I wish one of them.
Water this one.
It becomes water now?
Yeah. Because the one who chew this, smell it.
Put one plug in us and one switch.
All them, man.
Yeah, buy strip for strip this.
So it got neat strip.
Alright, then we put add some more strip on it. So the door them one strip.
You have strip for them.
1, 2, 3.
Neat strip.
How much when you name the inch and a half pipe, man? For run the train go back, so why you do that?
The inch and a half pipe. Kenisha!
Tell me about him have inch and a half pipe, I don't know how much him have.
How much by the pipe them there? No, the inch and a half pipe. Oh, look around
You want to know where him have for run go that side?
From the kitchen?
Yeah.
On the side.
No, that's a half inch.
Half inch now.
Yeah, them not water pipe, that's a drain pipe. Can't water come down and stuff.
You look like him have any.
I not tell me say me have a length or something. That me not tell me.
That's a slip.
Come that way, I have to pick up back with this.
This is that Ila?
This is the bathroom, I have to pick it up back with this.
Watch that slip here now, because you have a slip here, so.
I tell me say I have some pipes.
Watch that slip here, so.
I'm going to see where I name the pipe. Half inch pipe, I'm not going to see the inch.
No, no.
See the inch. Maybe in the big pipe, about 4 inches.
Oh, see there?
Right there. See? Oh,
See there on the tree.
how that? How that?
Oh, so that?
Oh, booba. Right, that's a one. That's a one. Let me see. No, let me see. Yeah, one. Come here, say man.
Who that?
I'm judging it off.
1, 2,
Which one them?
3.
You don't really know it. You all this have me.
Oh. White nose. Eat the chicken and put on weight. Oh, so the concrete reach right there, so.
Yeah. Yeah, so I want to go up as a can.
Yeah.
So when we like about the way name, you're going to deal that I'll go on later and we deal with the tank.
Yeah, that's I gotta do that after.
Oh, well, you have to do it.
Yeah.
So that's why
But we gotta check out the invoice for the price.
Yeah, and the way name that, and any pump you're going to use a submersible.
Submersible.
Yeah. If you way name there, if you just put it down in the water and just drop the water.
Right up. Oh,
and send
instead
to
of put the pipe in it.
Yeah, and a submersible you
Okay.
use and just touch the pipe, you just fit up the pipe to it and you know if you tangent the pipe them like that, you just fit it to it and for you start it and put it down in there, you just start suck the water and full it up. Dry all the river.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you must check out about the price for the pump and everything.
You can buy a small submersible. I mean, it's send it depends on the something. So, not good. And this is the pipe. Alright, you have demo. So we have to go use up demo. Come from this, so a 2 length that. If you take that from the kitchen now, for you will name this because I run it. And we say we have put the tank there, so. That's it.
Down there, so.
Or yes, sir.
Down there,
Yes, sir. That's it, gravity feed from here, sir. And then run comes and gravity feed.
I remember me that say up there, so somebody else, you know.
Yeah? The ocean himself I put it.
Right there, so. At the edge, right there, so. So remember when you got build up a column.
Which part you put it?
Right here, after so you got build up the column.
Right here, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, you can put right here, sir. Because it's on gravity feed, same and then go to the kitchen and just go back to the bathroom.
Yeah,
It'll run down, sir.
Can you for eye?
Yeah, it'll run down, sir. So it don't work, man. It don't work, so you have 2 length there, so then you need 2 length to go there, so you have 5 at least. 1 more length.
When we see now bad,
Yeah.
I'm going to get over this, you know. That's still can get this 5 million.
Yeah.
So me and your task is yes, sir.
Yeah.
And come take on the painting right there.
Because I remember we don't want to build a bathroom for Jella.
Yeah.
Jella they want a bathroom. Boom. Boom, they want a bathroom. And you know, like, Rasta Jackson they want a little renovation as well. So we want to move on from this and start with Jella and a bathroom.
Now come anytime you want, only like Friday, Saturday.
Outside.
Any other day.
Yeah. Yeah.
But you know Friday, Saturday, you have to look bad now.
Yeah. Look at part now.
Leave that.
Yeah, guys, that's as you can see the mission, you know, so you don't know. So definitely, I'm going to say DreamTeam never turn them back whenever we stop. You know, we give thanks to Winston as well too, because Winston said want to see this through. So Barger just writing down some stuff that we're going to definitely need to complete this, and then Prefect and Barger with 2 members and will come give us strength, and just Barger's going to finish it off and everything, you know, because remember we have the members then that Jella, you know, the female that she also need a bathroom because she don't have a bathroom, you know, in Trenchtown. You know, and Boom as well too, that don't have a bathroom as well too, inside. You know, I remember Prefect was doing his project as well too, where he was taking him time, you know, so there's still little works they need to do same way with the members then, you know, because, you know, worship and everybody else is off the list and everything, you know, and then you have Rasta Jackson players who will literally need a whole thing. So we just want to do the quick one them first, because, you know, Jackson will probably take more time because of how his situation is, you know, so we're trying to just get this out of the way, so we know so we don't have much task left. Come Tara, come out the kitchen, man, get burned. How are you, Pop? Popcorn? Yeah. Jeez, Cranberry popping popcorn.
Mine get burned, don't go in the kitchen.
Pop that's cool.
Oh, Keisha? Here we go, leave the painting, yeah? Yeah, leave the painting. So, we have left us 2 of the pink.
2 of the pink and some of the purple.
Some of the purple.
Yeah, leave the rest.
So,
because this have got touch over with the purple.
With the purple, I'm so much now the purple.
You might have put pink. Like when you come in here, that's the pink.
See what that purple, yeah?
Hey, which part we get like from?
The light come from cross
You have a breaker, you know?
No.
You need a 1 breaker, you know? Because you see that's not good. If anything go wrong, you have to have a breaker. If you have a 1 breaker in the house, that's a cheap the breaker. Yeah. Because if I have a continuous thing, if anything on short circuit, you catch it.
That's about them. That's about coat original, so you know.
You catch it when you get a 1
some good
breaker.
tin and it.
I saw them boy running there, sir.
Yeah.
The light in there, sir.
No, see like that.
No, that's not about.
No, the light.
That means you have to go wire. Where plug them with there?
No, no plug. Them a plug in here?
What?
And then I forgot to put on some more wire upon this. I'll get some more plugs.
Oh, so let me stay. That's right. At least you can put 2 plug in there, sir. 1 plug round this, sir. And then put some put some more wire upon it.
Yeah, them
Yeah.
are not safe. It's not safe. Even if they come down after the talk. Oh, Baja, come look here. Look here.
And I'm not sure this is just for a wire over, so the some wire upon it. This can't work. They make a short circuit and them all them must can't work.
Fire hazard.
Yeah, that's a hazard.
Okay guys, it's all this wire is fire hazard right here. Fire. Oh no.
Cranberry, look at this.
Just cover up the peel, guys. You can't waste the peel. If it left open, it will go hard.
Where's our paint at?
Yeah.
I did a paint up on a top.
Yeah, cover it.
Have a cover first?
Yeah, I get it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Let me see in your pot.
Oh, we can't put it that pop out.
1, 2, 3.
You see?
Pop it.
And I want popcorn I make so much. And tomorrow then we are bring a school to and 2 bills. I'm gonna get for 2.
Alright, the wire now, we put on back some more wire. I'll put some more wire, let me see how much this one.
Oh, I put on the farm mic up on it as well?
Yeah, man.
So I'm gonna put the farm mic up on the counter.
Oh.
The epoxy.
Yeah.
You know, for kind of just keep it down. So that's what's gonna happen, guys. You're gonna put farm mic on the counter.
Yeah, man.
You know,
I can't
epoxy.
Yeah. Now put a farm mic up on it. Knowing that them now go here with treat it.
Oh.
Better put some tile on it.
Can't
put
Let's
tile.
put the mesh, the cube mesh on it and
Yeah.
tile it. Because if them cut anything, the farm mic they go to go even deteriorate.
Oh.
Because the tin and it go damage, so it makes sense.
So I put the tile instead.
Yeah, put
Can't
tile.
tile.
I can put tile.
I'm a tile, the sharp counter.
Okay.
And a board, it can't tile. And it's the better way that.
To tile it.
Tile it,
Yeah.
knowing how the kids them, better you just tile it and know.
Tile it and know.
When you come back the farm my car,
Damage.
lift up, damage, and it's sharp enough.
Yeah,
To
yeah.
bust them finger, man.
Oh,
And that's
okay.
something with them. So,
Yeah.
better tile it.
Yeah, yeah. Alright then.
40 and 30, that's us.
So this force the dream team and to come get intervene and just take charge and just make it happen.
Yeah, man.
You know?
I charge him and all that.
Him try.
Him and try. And
Come on,
yeah,
far
Yeah,
away.
yeah, yeah.
Him go far.
Far away. You know?
Wipe himself.
Him go wally.
From where it was before, you know. Remember it was
Himself.
that one room there alone around there, so you know, the whole them in the one room, you know.
And it's not that easy. As a butcher that said.
Of course it wasn't,
Him did it.
Alright, we'll measure yourself.
cause for them journey with the before and after, you know, how there was before, you know.
Yeah, man.
Even when I show charge one video how him the look before, I mean the charge look on you know, you know,
Totally
totally different. And how the place was a small room there with the 6 of them on the bed where was on the floor. Excuse from there.
The one here, one 18-inch can cover 18-inch.
Alright guys, so as I say, we're going to complete off this journey, you know, so with a case like this now, you know, so I'm going to literally do all the spending to buy what's going to definitely needed, you know, so that's where it's going to come down to because we're going to complete it, so we're going to make sure so when we have all the materials and every stuff that we're going to need, so we can just continue to keep work right through and just complete off this for them, you know, because they need help. So Dream Team step in right now and step in fully for those complete off, you know. So we're gonna literally have to do that because Chargy him done a lot, you know, really appreciate it because he's been trying. So we just need to just bring him to the next step now, you know, and then I hear a lot of people talking about should I use concrete, you know, like blocks, because this is a lease land, you know, where the stadium is a lease land, so you know you cannot put up no concrete structure and something that's lease because you don't know how long or when, you know, whatsoever. But this now is, it's time. It's definitely sustainable for a longer period of time because you have to be on a lease land for a period of time before you can literally say you want to occupy it or buy it. So in time, maybe they can put up a block structure around it, you know, just to start off with something, you know. But this is the way. That's what I think. That's what they said it can go about it. So that is the case right now, you know. So.
Just come up here early. We can use a one day and get rid of most of everything.
Yeah, a lot.
So the next day, you know, the closing segment.
Yeah.
As I say, we are getting finishing up and running.
So yeah. So DreamTeam have to step in right now and give him the support that is needed because him coming far away.
Yeah man, trying man. When you see them try them way, you know, you have to just give them the support because it's not like him sit down and wait for people to do it for you.
No.
Do him thing himself. That is a big plus.
Yeah, man. She have one brush.
Yeah.
So when she wash out the blue, the pink, she just on an oil paint, you know, realize that
it'll leave out the pinks,
you can't use it. So.
Oh yeah, now we have some brush down there as well.
So the brush them down there now, we have about 4 different brush. So when we done this, we can attack this.
So you can also see the pink in this.
Yeah, man. See it there? It need that show.
The door?
It's a square, this is a square. It's the top of the bottom.
Oh, and the, hold about this one. Hold it back, let's see. Okay.
So we have to do now, we have to cut this. I'm going to cut this and lick over this. See, you have the same as down below good.
But up there, so.
So we have to cut out the over piece over the top and then lick back the two before. So but whenever time we do that, then this I'm going to end up.
It can lick back either for those wedge it and done.
Yeah, it's have to lick back for it's scared that you can't hear me.
It can lick back?
Yeah man, when I cut out this, the piece of need, cut out this. Let me cut out this, then you just lick back this. And it come back on it and then it's square up.
More of this done.
Really be winning. Me set it up that it can't win him there. Because we just have to work with it, they already.
No, I say if you have no piece.
No, I'm a piece.
Patch it out.
But what happen, when we don't do that, we don't just frame around it like a frame so it will hide whatsoever the movements you get. And come across it and just look uniform. You see, as you say,
out the groove of this and fit it.
He might try, but at the end of the day, to him now work with plumb and square. End up with them thing. You know, so correct that man, a simple thing. Good thing about it that he might try to help himself.
Yes. The man always say God help those who try to help themselves, you know. And he's the man been trying, definitely for sure. You know.
So what, one
thing you know them really try to help themselves when it comes to food.
Especially Cranberry sheep when it comes to food.
Watch how they do it. I'll paint that, you know. On the plate, you know, with them have, you know.
How would that charge it? How would that?
No, I'm not about.
But when you come in,
Come and see one.
Around the same.
and you go back give answer that I think I will come.
Come and see somebody come behind the door, you know. I wonder, who that?
Say not take none, Tina.
charge the screen.
Take some.
Take some? Yeah. Try cranberry cooking. Popcornish.
Square.
First time I tried cranberry popcorn.
One to that.
Alright, you see I said okay, you know?
Yeah.
You get some extra block because them trading at the step down too high,
right?
So You're gonna do your curb, another thread right here, so. Curb probably at least, it's a one, 8 inches. Come to around here. And when I come to around here, then I put another thread here, so them have an easy step up.
Yeah.
You understand? Because they run some block. One row here, so, and then one row here, so.
Yeah.
You understand? So you don't come actually 2 row of block here, so. Reach back to this, and then 1 row here, so. So you have a easily step up one thing.
Can you step up too high?
Yeah, too high, you know, that will cause problem.
So that's 3 step up, 1.
No, not really 3. You know, I really come from here, you know.
This one.
You come from here, so. So you come from here, so 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, that one, the landing, I make it 3. You know? Because you can't come from that side there, because the threading and turn that way there. You want to come so, and then. So a 6 more block, 6 more block.
6 more yard to it, yeah?
I'm going to school tomorrow, 5 and then I go to school, you know? So me and my classmate then. Me I buy it, my classmate I buy it and pop it for all away.
Alright guys, so I'm saying guys, I'm asking you guys, you know, just to come in, you know, come on board to help us to finish off this project, you know. So we're asking you please, you know, for this ending of this, you know, the finishing support, you know, for anything you can give, you know, we appreciate it, because let's help Winstone to complete this mission, you know, because Winstone is giving the strength, you know, but we can't only rely on Winstone only, you know. If you guys can come in and just give anything you can give, you know, we thank you so much, because you guys give so much already. But we're asking you for the support saying here to complete of this, you know, because we don't want to leave the weight only on our brother Winstone, you know. We want to ask if anyone can come and just give a helping and also give any support. Give anything you can give. If you can give a $10, $20, $30, $50, $100, anything you can give, we appreciate it. So we could complete this mission for this family, you know, so them can have a wonderful home and everything. So, you know, once DreamTeam start to put them on and this type of work, you're gonna see the beauty of it when it's finished, you know. So, but we'll definitely need some more financial support on the things them that budget putting in place that we're gonna need to complete up this, you know. So please come and help our brother Winstone, you know. We don't leave any, because we don't want to leave all the pressure on only one person, you know. Let's come, anything you can give, contact me, you know, the thing goes already. We have Cash App, Zelle, Western Union, MoneyGram, you know it. Just contact me, make we just definitely cross this line and help out this family. You know, because, you know, nothing done before the time. And I guess if this is the time, let us do it and just try to just move on forward. You know, and see if we can give our brothers, the members, them some bathroom that they're living without bathroom in Trenchtown also. You know, so please, that
You know, so yesterday,
And turn it over.
you know, he said he stood back and
You know, Kina? The father for boy that wall there. You see better for one? Can't tell him not take that one there.
stage by stage. Light in there?
No light there. No light there. Alright, I go one here, so. Apparently that 1, 2, 3, 5.
just put them in the shots and put them in the hand.
So 5. So what's the switch? 1 for them. 6 switch. You don't move right.
I go watch your yard, so Jakey, no?
6 switch.
Let them not dry.
Yeah. 6 switch.
So not this.
And the twin and right are sitting there.
So boy, them bag of wire, yeah.
No, this not make it. No. This not make it. You know, I'm cars and them and the piece and them thing there. you would have to put a one breaker. So you see anyway the main come in, you just set a breaker a place where if anything it chip the breaker.
Yeah.
Because you can't have a consistency of wire because the breaker is for anything, it chip the breaker. Now the 2.5 wire, instead of it have something to chip, what it will do, it will intend to start get hot and burn. And when it start burn, then I fire that. Once the breaker is there though, anything that is overheated and everything, it chip the breaker and it protect the house. So basically what happen here, you know, need for wire over and them.
So then again, you know, it's very fire hazard because of board
and them thing there.
And the aisle board as well.
Yeah, so we have to do the right thing by correcting that and them thing, you know, wire it properly, you know, and them thing there. So that's the goal, right?
Yes. So the goal is good, you know, so make sure say we do the right thing, you know. You know, whenever DreamTeam put them on anything,
have to do
the beauty of it, and you finish, you know what time it is.
Have to make it look.
Yes.
DreamTeam's logo, you know.
Yes.
Neat and finished.
You have to breathe life into life.
Yes.
That's what it's all about. Our life is just for living.
Of course. Just
and
for
anything to make life live, we have to move towards it. Yeah. It's not about the life, not about what we can get or what we can achieve from life. But once you do the right thing to support life, then the good things will come out in the end.
That is it.
Which is what DreamTeam is doing.
Yes.
So that is it.
I've been doing it for years, from Jinjin till here. We never stop.
Many would love to see us fade out.
A lot.
But we are here to stay and to sustain. You understand? We are here forever.
Of course.
The greatness of life is to knowing that you have God in everything we are doing. And doing the right thing. And that's what keeps us together. Yeah, we are human. We may have differences over the years. But one learn to adapt.
Of course.
And serve the purpose what we are here for. DreamTeam from day one, what's all about giving. Changing life. Breathing life into people and make people know that there is life outside. Because we start from Trenchtown.
Of course.
Many people never know that there was life outside of Trenchtown.
That needed it.
Many people never used to be in even halfway tree or crossroad. Them just in the ghetto.
Yeah.
We come there and we try to change that. And it's happening now. Yeah, we have a rough road. Because once you know people grow up on something and then adapt to something, it's hard to break away from bad habits.
Very.
You understand? We break away from that and we have tried a long time until this time and we still are sustained. This is it. This is the result. As you can say, DreamTeam is all over Jamaica right now. All over. Sharing the love and giving the support and strength in whatever way, either cash or kind or prayers. We accept anything.
Yes.
So who don't have the cash to support the cause, you can give us a word of prayer. Who can come in physically, can know. If we are doing something wrong and you are on the outside and seeing that whatsoever we are doing, we could have do it, tweet it that we hear or go about, your advice is acceptable.
Of course.
To guide us. We are not perfect. But we are trying to do the right thing. So we thank you for the support from that time until this time. And never fail us. And we will never fail you.
Never.
One love Jamaica. We can make it work. There's no I in team. No.
It's we.
You know, say I don't know I don't know one individual.
No.
It's we.
We
can make it work. Togetherness is unity.
Of course.
And that's the only way the strength can continue. And that's the only way we can get stronger. We have to always make our equal becomes our superior. Not of all of us will get out at the same time.
Yes.
But one can guide each other. And we'll take it one day at a time. And this is it. This is where it put us. So there we never know about Cranberry, Charge. Father God lead us in the right direction. That's what can be here right now. Can assist a word cause.
Of course.
So we're there for support Father God work.
Yeah.
God bless Akeynote. Akeynote is the one that come with the vision. He's the one that come with the ideas. Father God, I dare him to do this.
He's the founder.
When the road get rough and rugged,
Yeah.
Keena stand out tall, same way when everybody have them little differences. Family will always have differences. But when we can able to acknowledge and recognize our wrongs and say we come to serve the right purpose.
Yeah, of course.
That's the goal.
That is it.
You understand?
And that is it.
We are not perfect.
Nobody is perfect.
You understand? So
Nobody's perfect.
be with us same way. Keep on supporting Dream Team and keep on doing whatsoever you have to do for make it work.
Yeah.
We are on this side, we are doing the same thing for make it work.
Make it work.
And we respect each and every one of them. To call names now and to single out people, it will never work. There's too many givers.
Too much.
And kind-hearted. So we say, Dream Team family,
Extended
respect for you
family.
and the extended family. Respect to you all the while from day one until this time. Never fail us.
Never at all, boy.
Yeah.
Never. We appreciate.
Yeah, man.
Cranberry smiling.
Well, it's an inspiration for you say she have to take up the slack now and raise the bar to the next level for your family, you know? And do the right thing. Go to school, take in a lesson, try to make mommy proud, daddy proud, that the sacrifice where them a do now and I put out for you, you can't able to take them out of them situation.
Right, so taking the education.
Taking the education, that's the key.
And pass my test.
Right.
Can go to good school.
Right. You know, so your testimony in the end can say, well, you make the first effort as the big one, and then Toko Loco and Loco Toko, and the rest can come.
Tara Loco.
Yeah.
I'll
And
teach that
set it.
next week. And next year she's going to graduate me.
Yeah.
And then I left for school and them alone I go walk come home and start.
So you know what that means? You have to set the guidance, guide them, focus, and do the right thing. That's when you left. The bigger one can't able to guide them through. Meanwhile, you're on the other side. So watch me now, you know. I want you taking a lesson. I want you make mommy proud. I want you make Keena proud. Dream Team proud. The community proud. And the extend Jamaica, and Caribbean, and the whole region.
And yourself, bro.
Yourself. You understand? So don't fail us. There's so much we are depend on you.
Yeah. The whole world is watching
The
you.
whole world is watching.
I'm a teacher go find something and
Right.
subscribe and say tell the father say
Yeah.
first I see him help and God is blessing.
Right.
Because teacher I done at school I pray for him today and I say
Right.
you know so right now I want to say your when name Keena,
Yeah.
I big up him.
Yeah.
And the principal here asked and I say your father pretty, Kedisha, I can't take you. Everything with your father do you just follow.
Yeah, true.
Because she hear when I said, the day when me tell her so we are going to start the class, she saw when I said it because she hear something in the background when I said, we forgot to start the class and pay for the Saturday.
Okay.
Because then we're going to have excellence every evening, we are come home like 8, and we might never know. So tell her today she did it love. Like $1,000. Like, because today we can't make a second dish, why you not come to that one? So I say, Shanta, your mother, don't come. Because if Shanta, your mother pay feed every week with me, she help me and say, Georgia, you have to wait for her to come down and tell her mother beat her. Because her mother can't think she stay at school for doing nothing. Because her mother pay for the exercise like every evening. Because today look like she never come. Come too look a bit late, so she never see me. So she left it to the principal and said, Kedisha, tomorrow I have the excellence. So you need to tell your mother say you need to come look a bit early. Because I can't take the lateness. Same thing I see my teacher complain about. If you come tomorrow a little late, you're going to beat.
There's so much people that depend on you. So you know what that means? You have to make them proud. Yeah, stay focused and do the right thing.
Do the right thing.
Yeah?
That is it. Kedisha,
Yeah, you know.
you know the thing about movements of job people.
Alright.
You know,
Safe
move-
journey. And thank you, Dream Team.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mama.
Tara. Can't deal with Tara, you know. Can't deal with Tara, you know. Tara Galang. Yeah. Alright guys, you know the thing about movements of job people.
Yeah.
We out of here. Cranberry.
Bye.
Tata.
Bye, Dream Team.
So blessed love guys. Let me say, you know the thing about, let me say. Yeah, Kensha, so leave the painting.
Paint it to the professional.
Yeah. please don't waste no more. And Tara, please don't mark up the place.
Yeah.
Can I come use my belt?
Yeah.
Charge you for go vex. And Kenny shall go vex and take out my belt. Right? What you say? Cranberry,
Yes.
yeah? Alright. Belt time. How about Tara a joke? You're not beat it, yeah? You're Tara? A joke, Tara. But
We're going to come up early. Just check on the outside first before the sun.
yeah.
And then we go inside.
Baja got deal with in the bathroom. Bye bye. Bye.
I got to run the fire.
Right now, if you eat any more chicken, you know what it is. You're gonna get some finger licking, beating. Right? You hear me say right now? Right now, say you're more film KFC from early. Yeah. Right now, so don't want when it's fry. Right now, say you don't want my chicken to fry. Right now, say yo, I don't want my chicken to fry. I want is young and fresh. Boomer. I would come up here yesterday or the day before. Yesterday before, I was seeing my I dig out there so. The sun, so I'm going to start set up back the place. Tell me why. Kusan man. The youth at work. He's working.
Put it there so that him.
Yeah. Oh, and then put it in the vehicle.
Yeah.
Most vehicle I for use because I say, boy, for him to bring them up the hill, a pressure.
Yeah, it will take too much out of
Yeah. So that's the best thing for do. So let's load them up in the vehicle. Bring them up. Yeah. And that's another mission as well, people go all the way around and come back.
First start and get it out of the river.
Yeah.
You have to dedicate to anything we are doing.
Of course.
Without the mindset.
Dedication. Oh yeah, yeah, flash out this your bathroom. Okay. Yeah.
Catch it, tile with flush. Flush this. Everything goes so blessed love is fading back in the trench down now, so everything goes.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.